Hi, this is Mark and Pam with Any Way You Travel. Let's be honest, planning a trip, well, it can feel overwhelming. Flights and hotels, transportation, attractions, and making sure it all fits into your time frame, it like to take hours, even days.
But what if you had a personal travel assistant who never sleeps and always has answers, and who can ask you questions, some of which you may not have thought of, to better understand what you want and then help you plan your entire trip in minutes? That's exactly how we use ChatGPT to take the stress out of planning and instead focus on the fun of exploring.
In this video, we'll show you how ChatGPT can help with every step, from sparking destination ideas to building itineraries, learning local stories, arranging logistics, and saving hours in research.
By the end, you'll see how easy it is to travel smarter with less stress and more adventure. Sometimes the hardest part of travel isn't packing, it's deciding where to go. Maybe you know you want Europe or a beach or a family-friendly getaway, but you don't know which destination fits.
That's really where ChatGPT is incredible. You can type something like, give me a destination of 5 cities in the US that are great for family trips in the spring. And boom, instantly, you'll have options you have never thought of maybe right there in front of you.
If you're into food, you can ask for the best culinary cities or restaurants within a particular city. If you're into adventure, you can ask for hiking and outdoor spots that are away from the crowds and off the beaten path. ChatGPT can also tell you how difficult the various trails are. Also, if you're traveling with kids, you can ask for places that mix fun and learning.
So instead of taking the time to sift through dozens of websites, you can get a clear, customized list in seconds. It's kind of like brainstorming with a friend that knows the entire world. Then once you pick your destination, the next step is figuring out how to spend your time. That's usually where travelers get stuck, balancing sightseeing with some downtime.
With ChatGPT, you can ask for a day-by-day itinerary. For example, plan a 4-day trip to a historic European city, mixing museums, walking tours, and local markets.
The results give you structure without being rigid. Morning suggestions, afternoon activities, and evening options, all tailored to the pace you want.
And if it's too full, just say, make this more relaxed. If you want nightlife added, something like include live music venues or local entertainment. Within seconds, your itinerary adapts.
It's like having a travel designer who adjusts plans until it feels right for you.
One of the best parts of travel is discovering the stories behind the places you visit. But not everyone has time to read guidebooks before a trip.
I hate reading. ChatGPT helps with that too. You can ask for short historical narratives, legends, or cultural insights about the particular destinations you're wanting to go to.
For example, you could ask, tell me a 30-second story about Buckingham Palace in London, or explain the cultural traditions behind Christmas markets in Germany.
These stories make your trip more meaningful. I mean, it really does. Instead of just snapping a picture, you understand why you're taking the picture and what's behind what you're seeing. For multi-city trips, it can design routes. Say something like, plan a 7-day loop through these 3 cities using trains. In a moment, you'll get travel times, recommended routes, and advice on which city makes a good home base and what hotel you should look at.
It can even guide you on whether to use public transit, rent a car, or book a regional flight. While it won't buy tickets for you, it gives you the roadmap so you can book smarter.
That's right. And that alone, that saves a huge amount of stress. No more second guessing whether you're choosing the right connection or hotel location. You have great information right at your fingertips. And that way you can make an informed decision.
Normally, planning a trip means juggling 10 tabs open: airline websites, hotel reviews, travel blogs, and transportation apps.
But with ChatGPT, all of that comes together in one simple place. Ask about the best time to visit, what's open on certain days, or where to find authentic local food. And we love our authentic local food. And you'll have a clear answer in seconds.
You can even refine your questions. If you say, "What are the best beaches in Spain?" and then follow up with, "Which ones are less crowded in June?" ChatGPT remembers and narrows the list.
Instead of piecing everything together, you get the whole picture in one conversation. It's pretty amazing.
And that means less time stressing before the trip and more time enjoying it once you're there.
And at the end of the day, ChatGPT won't replace your love of travel or your sense of adventure, but it will make the planning easier, smoother, and more enjoyable.
Imagine heading on your next trip knowing you already have a clear itinerary, you understand the stories behind the places you'll see, and you know exactly how to get around.
That's the power of planning with ChatGPT. It turns "someday I'll go" into "I'm ready to go." So here's our challenge for you. Before your next trip, ask ChatGPT to design just a one-day itinerary. Try it, follow it, and see how much easier it feels.
If you found this video helpful, hit the like button. It helps YouTube share these tips with more travelers.
And don't forget to subscribe and ring the bell so you can always travel with us. We share new stories, guides, and adventures every week.
In the comments, let us know where ChatGPT should plan your next adventure. Your idea might inspire our next video.
This is Mark and Pam with Any Way You Travel. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy travels.